Hey, what's up everybody? Real quick, I just want to do a quick video on the Moto Gadget MView Cafe mirrors. I installed these on my 2021 Royal Enfield Continental GT 650. I think the mirrors look great on the motorcycle. I'm going to show those really quick. I plan on this being a super quick video. I got a lot of requests to see a little bit more on these mirrors through some forums. So I just wanted to highlight these mirrors, and then for me, I believe the only con is going to be the price. So I ordered these from Revzilla, and online they are running $117 per mirror. So if you're going to order them, you'll have to order 2 of them. So that is the ultimate con of these mirrors. They are very expensive, but from what I can tell, they are very high quality. They look great. Install was super fast. It probably took me a total of 15 minutes to install them. So real quick, I just want to show you the mirrors so you can see the detail that's put in these mirrors. These are a glassless mirror, and they are a CNC, and they look like a one-piece all aluminum mirror, so they should be very sturdy. And as far as riding, they do fantastic. I don't get a lot of vibrations in the mirrors. They're very clear to see out of. So overall, great performance from the mirror as far as how they're supposed to function. But real quick, let's take a look at those mirrors, and so you can get a closer look. All right, here we are, a closer look at the mirrors, just so you can get an idea what they look like installed on the motorcycle. Install was very simple, took about 15 minutes. All you'll need to do is remove your bar end. You do not need to remove the actual insert inside the handlebar. And I apologize for any background noise. That is my hot water heater going off. You do not need to remove the inserts in the handlebars itself, just the bar end, and then you'll attach your mirror. So Moto Gadget does say that you need a 1/2 inch of space in order to install the mirror. So if it's on a Royal Enfield, that's already taken care of because they have a spacer that you'll simply remove off the handlebar, and then you'll attach the mirror. One question I got on the forums was, can I mount these mirrors upside down? And I suppose you could. I think there's maybe a mirror out there that's probably better suited for that. Maybe one that's a little more low profile. Because of the stem here, if you mount them upside down, your mirrors can be hanging quite low. This is probably realistically about where you're going to hit once you have it mounted. And if you mount them that low, you're going to be looking through your own arm to use your mirror. So I opted to mount mine upright so that I could get a better view. Another question I get a lot is the handlebars. That is from Trip Machine. Let's see if I can get their logo in there. Not sure if you can make that out, but this is their actual vintage tan. They have several colors to choose from. But they feel great. They actually kind of fill out the grips quite a bit. But that's it on the mirrors. Just wanted to make a quick video on that because I got a lot of questions about the mirrors. If you have any questions that I did not answer already, leave those in the comment section, and I will be happy to get to those. All right, I will see you guys later.